the last thing I'm going to show is how to receive the student data and get the reports from Nearpod. So you can either go into my library and see all of the Nearpods here, and you would click in the upper right and go to reports, or if you go back to the home screen, you could go to reports that way as well. So here's the ones that you've utilized and the kids have accessed. So if I were to click on it, this shows my different classes. So obviously this one was me testing it out, but these are my 4 different classes that I have, and you can kind of narrow it down by time. So if you were to click on one, it would say, all right, so this is when I did this Nearpod. Here are the students' names, and as you see, they love to put ridiculous things as well. And the only things that they were given were a quiz and a draw it. So through the quiz, it shows what they received, and then the draw it, what grade they received here as well. The participation is what they actually did, or how much did they accomplish. What you can do after this to see the data, you can download it in a PDF based on the whole session, like this, or based on the student. You can also download it in a CSV and get it through an Excel.